Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:39 p.m., January 5th, 2021, Tuesday. A bit of wheel spinning kind of day, some choppiness, and a little bit of a red day. But we'll get into that in a second. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. We had the markets up today a little bit. Dow Industrial is 167. NASDAQ 120 and the SPX 26. I was looking at one wrong stock today that really kind of put me underneath early on, and that was Boeing. I don't know why I was looking at Boeing, just based on a couple things here on the daily. Earlier, it was inside this lower move down here, and it had momentum today, but I was trying to trade it through this chop here, through the 207.50 level, and I got stuck on, I think this candle here got to 20. No, it was this candle. And then kind of this flushed down, and then it went. There was like 3 trades in a row I was trading. No, actually, there's 2 trades in a row here, and I'll try trading one later on here. Frustrating because it ended up costing me like $3.79 on the day. A bit frustrating for sure, because if I take that one out, I'm green on the day, But that's hindsight on all that good stuff. So PDD was definitely a player for me today. I was able to get a nice piece on this particular move, actually, right here on the break of this candle, and it ripped up real nice. I was only in for 300 shares. Got most of my red back from Boeing on this PDD trade, and actually took a later trade in it. Believe above this candle here on the 5-minute. I got a nice little piece. But then I was trading stuff like Fubo. Got stuck in one trade. It actually ripped through 30 here. Of course, of the trade, I didn't take it, and I tried taking it through a 29.50 level, and it failed on me pretty miserably. I actually took a trade on BTBT, which was in play last week. Yesterday and on Friday. And it kind of got stuck in this action here. It didn't get rug pulled, but tried to take a trade through here. It was just kind of messy, kind of just chopped up all the way up. So if you got in, you had to go through some pain. It wasn't just like this move here. This was obviously the move, but it was so far down on the day, I didn't think it was just going to continue its move. But once it hit 30 here, 30 was definitely the in-play number. I tried 30. Actually, I tried entering on the 29.50 here. Got flushed down a bit, and the 30 here was the move, even though it didn't really go up that much. It went up to 30. Actually, it went to 30.50, but it definitely required a little bit of pain on that particular trade. I did take a Tesla trade. Let's see, where's Tesla here? I only made $20 on it, but I kind of liked it at the time. Making highs, and it was through the 35 level. I forgot what time that was at, but hang on. It was actually at 139 through the 34 level. Was it 34? No, 39 level. 39 level here on this particular candle. And it got up to 40. It was actually a 1-point move, and I got like 50 cents out of it, or less. I was only trading like 50 shares. And then it flushed down, and I got out with the rest. But it did have a point move in my favor. And then at the end of the day, good old QS came back. QS has been kind of off the charts lately, literally falling down from that highs, just crippling down to 40 or so, 30, 45 area. End of the day, right here through the 60 level. Ran up to 61.10. I went in with 300 shares. Made a nice little move on it. Made a nice little chunk of change. Made $150 on this trade. It says $100, but I also traded earlier where I lost, so I made that back. And I ended up the day down $109. So 109 on the day. It's unfortunate. I was down 300 at one point. I was up 50 at one point. Just kind of spinning a bit. Trying to put some new plays in action. I'm not going away from my trading style, but I'm trying to get in a little bit earlier on trades because I've been missing a bunch at the inflection point. This one I did not miss. I actually nailed the 60 entry here. There was a little bit of hit in there at 60, but I knew end of the day close. The shorts will be covering, and it gave a point and almost a quarter. You can see 61.23 I actually got a sell off at 6105, 6107, 6107. So it's a pretty good sell. So I got a point and a 0.07 on some shares. But overall, fair day, even though it was down 109. I'm glad I was only down 109. I'm thinking this week is kind of like a digestive week. And then hopefully by next week, we can start really kicking it in, maybe get a couple trading days on Thursday and Friday. I think tomorrow is going to be one of those, I think the government information and like Georgia and all these election stuff. I don't know what's going to happen with all that. We got to get through all that. Once the House and Senate are set and this president can roll over, I think we can move on with some more information and kind of move back up, I guess, on the markets and kind of continue gradually climbing. We could get a big flush in the markets. Who knows? I'm not going to predict that at all. So again, okay day. I did just sit here. I did some other stuff as well. I have some house issues, but other than that, I'm looking forward to some better trading. That Boeing trade was just not a smart trading idea. And I know how to kind of keep an eye out for what I should avoid based on the daily information. And Boeing wasn't even there, even though it broke out, but it was kind of like a bearish looking stock lately, and it wasn't necessarily the best trading instrument for this Tuesday. So make sure you comment on the video, like the video, and share the video. Also subscribe to the channel. I appreciate that. And I will be back tomorrow. You guys have a good night, and I'll see you then.